Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add welcome bot to Discord server. So let's get started. So if you want to add a welcome bot in your Discord server, then what you can do is first of all select your server. So open up your Discord, and after opening up your Discord, just select a server. After selecting your server, now in the top left corner you will find this drop down arrow. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you have to tap on app directory. After tapping on app directory, now in search bar you can search for ProBot. And after searching for ProBot, now you'll find this bot. What you have to do is just simply select that. So just tap on it. And after tapping on it, now you have to tap on Add App. After tapping on Add App, now what you have to do is just simply log in your Discord account in a browser. And after logging in, now you can add a bot. So what you have to do is just select a server. So here you will find Add to Server option. Just tap on that and then select your server that you want to add. And after selecting it, just tap on Continue. And after tapping on Continue, just check all these options and then tap on Authorize. After tapping on authorize, here you can see guys, this is your account, this is your server, and you have successfully added this bot in your server. So now what you can do is in the left side of your screen you will find this option which is welcome and goodbye. Just tap on it and then turn on every single option. And after turning every single option on, now you will find this first option, and the first option is send a message when a user joins to the server. So if someone joins to your server, what you can do is just simply send them a message. And after typing in your welcome message, now what you can do is just scroll down, and now you have to send a message when a user leaves your server. So if a user leaves your server, you can just simply type in the message. When he leaves the server, he will be notified with that message. And after typing in that message, now what you can do is just simply tap on save changes. And after typing on save changes, now you have successfully added a bot in your server. So you have added a welcome bot. So now if someone joins to your server, he will be notified with welcome to our server. And now if someone leaves, he will be notified with goodbye. So this is how you can add a welcome bot in your Discord server. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.